Hello, this is Samir Gizre from Benchmark. Imagine if you had an equation to predict any quality, any yield, any parameter in the plant without having any thermodynamic data, kinetic data, not even simulation software. For example, you could have that product property or yield is equal to some constant into temperature, some constant into pressure, so on and so forth. And what if you can get this equation in 1 minute, starting with raw plant data? You can have such equation put onto control system to give online indication of property or yield, etc. An operator can take timely action to ensure the best performance and profits from the plant. Or if you are a process engineer, you can calculate physical property as a function of process variable, and you can have more accurate process calculations. You can also get process insight due to quantified relationships you get for between these process variables. You can reduce experimentation in R&D due to such insight. All this means crores of rupees, millions of dollars saved, and you can use insight tool to get such equation in 1 minute. This tool is for any process, batch process, continuous process, semi-continuous process. You can even predict stock market share prices if you know which parameter affect the prices. Let's see now. So this is the simple tool. Let's have an example data. So let's take this data, put it into the tool. So what you have is a usual data. You have a target property which is a lab measured property, and then you have temperature, pressure, these four parameters. And then you click on the only button in the tool, which is called fit equation. The tool is taking the data, massaging the data automatically, cleaning the data automatically, fitting the equation, and all this with just one click of a button in about 30 seconds. Now here we are, the equation is now fit. These are the coefficient of various variables, this is the constant, and most importantly, this is the automatic advice that you are getting from the tool. It says entered data is sufficient, yes. It says 41% data, 41% variation is explained, and therefore it's not a very good model fit. You can add more variables because the data is sufficient anyway. And it has remarked that it has acceptable directional accuracy. Further, it has said that the target property being calculated has a variation of plus minus 2% around its average value, and the prediction error is also 2%. So the error is within the range of variation of target property, and therefore it is directionally accurate. Right, now let's do one thing. Since it is saying take more variables, let's take more variables. Let's take all this data. This is tens of variables. Again we go to the tool and we put the data into the tool. As usual, very simple. No need to play with the data, it will be done by the tool. Click the only button available. So now what we have is we have more number of parameters which are explaining the target property, and we hope to get a better model quality. As usual, it is fitting the model, and here it is. It has now fit the model, and we should have it on the screen now. Yeah, these are the various multipliers for the variables. This is the constant, and now what is the tool saying? It says enter data is not sufficient now, and it's saying you should have 1.4 times more data because more number of variables requires more data to fit, but still the model property, the fitment quality has gone up. It is now 60% variation can be explained, and this is an acceptable model fit. And to improve, we will have to put more data, as it has said. Again, it is saying good directional accuracy. So what is good directional accuracy? So this is the good directional accuracy. That means there is an error of prediction. The orange ones is the actual data, and the blue ones are the calculated or predicted by this equation. So there is an error, but still it's a very good fit. This can be used for various purposes in process engineering. And how much this tool costs? 30,000 rupees. Yeah, or 400 US dollars. That's the price for one PC 1 year license, and you get free email support and upgrades. If you want further information, please contact us today at info@benchmark1.in. Thanks a lot for watching.